critical thinking. Okay? Ano ba? Okay, so in the 21st century, critical thinking is vital for navigating complex information, making informed decisions, and adapting to new challenges. So, what does it mean na maging critical thinker? Critical thinking. Okay. Let me give you a concrete example. Yung sinabi ni ma'am na about sa when you see posts sa social media, kailangan mo siyang i-analyze information, yung navigate evidences, hindi yung mag-judge ka lang agad-agad without using your critical thinking. So, same as in 21st century life challenges, you need to apply this critical thinking in solving problems. Okay? So, that's critical thinking. Then, wait lang. Okay. May sinabi kasi ang regarding this critical thinking. So, accordingly to chapter 17, verse 36, in making judgment, Allah says in the Khaliqah and in Surah Al-Isra, verse 36, وَلَا تَكْفُ مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ, and do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge. That's critical thinking. Okay? So, okay. Problem solving. Okay, i-ano ko muna yung tatlo, then I will give you an example related to my academic para makarelate kayo. Okay, yung problem solving naman, I think this is very di ba? Definition, the process of identifying problems, developing solutions, and implementing them effectively. So, problem solving. You identify your problems, you use your critical thinking, then you solve your problem. Ano lang yan? Problem solving. Pero yung tanong, paano kayo nagsasolve ng problem? Okay? So, in the 21st century, problem-solving skills are essential for tackling real-world issues. Since we're living in the 21st century skills, pabago-bago yung mundo, ang daming problema, halos araw-araw may problema. Okay? So, kailangan natin ng problem-solving skills para yung finding creative solutions and working collaboratively. Okay? So, okay. I have an example about critical thinking and problem solving. This is in relation to my research journey. Okay, I was conducting a research about pedagogical challenges in teaching and learning in community high schools. Then I encountered a problem where one of my respondents didn't participate. So nakaroon ng problema. So, paano ko ginamit ang critical thinking ko? Yeah. Paano ko ba ginamit? Yung unang ginawa ko is, I logically assess the situation kung bakit pa siya hindi nag-participate, ano ba yung reason, is it due to geographical location or, I don't know, okay? Hanggang sa nakaroon ako ng solutions is replacement ng respondents kasi hindi na kaya ng time. So, kailangan i-replace. And kung allow din siya sa methodology na ginamit ko sa research ko. So, the last one is all about communication. Okay, so the definition of communication is the ability to express ideas clearly, effectively, and persuasively, both verbally and in writing. So, communication skills. Ito, napaka-importante na communication skills in 21st century learning skills. When you say communication skills, kabilang dito ang verbal and non-verbal. Okay, so related to my board, when it comes to communication skills daw, kailangan is matuto tayo magpa-communicate ng maayos. Yeah, sa tono ng pananalita. Okay.
Before you proceed, let me just ask you how did you divide the topic? Because you're actually